Now well done. I have one set this PS5. Now 1M.
Now 50K I'll pay you.
For PS5.
You don't play many times now.
Pluto, why you want to say your PS5?
Keep up in only the wrong way.
For PS5?
How far later? I don't know how you still collect this TV.
No.
2 weeks use.
No like them.
Pluto, you want to say your TV? What you happen to this TV?
Al Jazeera know they show news.
Al Jazeera know they show news. For your own TV, Pluto, see, if you don't broke, just talk. Make people know how to help you. If you don't broke, you just talk.
Yeah.
What's up, my people on the day? It's your boy OBIKING, and I'm back again with another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So guys, please make sure to watch this video to the very end, because trust me, you will not be disappointed. I have the best you've ever seen. So watch to the very end and subscribe if you're here to do that. You get a point. So don't play. Let's go have some fun. Funny, man.
Bye. How much? 500. Also, this one now today bread though. Now today bread, the man just can't deliver them today. So be that one where you give me old bread though. Give me the bread. Give me that.
This guy, they always do like old man. And that girl, na your elder sister. The girl, na your elder sister. Ain't gonna do like old man.
Mama, come, my man don't chop papa, so I sit inside though. What to be this now? I go cheat on top papa, because they can't move forward.
So now dream.
Baby, this place has a lot of skincare products. I can't remember my skin to shine like a baby.
You are dating up.
Don't worry, your skin will shine like a baby very soon. Welcome to
a student of Agkaay.
So for your body care, you have your shower oil, your body oil, and the body moisturizer. So for your face now, I'll give you this anti-aging face wash, the anti-aging face cream, and the overnight reset serum. Okay. So let's go to the cash point. Your total bill is 411,500.
Hey, what's going on here?
For skincare. Yes, sir. 411,500. 411,500 is too much. For skincare. Let me take you to grandma place in Ojoye.
You're very annoying. Why do you keep doing this? Let me talk.
Calm down now. You see, that grandma in Ojoye is this thing. Skincare have been easy. My body shine like this, and it's not that expensive.
You're maltreating me.
What do you mean I'm maltreating you? I don't want pain. I'm doing pain.
I don't want pain.
So, do you want your body to shine like a baby, or do you want your body to shine like a baby?
I want my body to shine like a baby.
Mama, you come, bro.
200, 500, 1,000.
Which one is that one?
Ghana soap.
Ghana soap. Oh, this one natural. See the ori.
One for the para. One for shave. Ginger lori.
Aha, you see, you can even use that ori to cook. What are you saying? This is Ghana soap.
One for Ghana soap. One for when you.
Mommy, she bought double skin.
Ara yín máa dán ni. Ẹ máa jọ̀lọ̀ ni. Ara yín máa dán ni. Ara yín máa dán ni. Kíni. Pípara. Ara yín máa dán ni.
Sunshine Ladies Club.
They don't tell us how much they will buy.
That's one.
Let's have it.
Jesus. Who does that?
God help me now that day.
Don't be smarting, I don't go enter.
God help me.
Who they open you like that? How you gonna use knife to chuk like that? You know why?
My son, what brings you to the great shine of Ogidi?
Mama, street rough. Mama, you don't rough.
Mama, nothing they go well for us again. We never see $1 for the past how many weeks. We don't throw, work, they backfire. Mama, help us. Gift card business no will start. Nothing they flow. Recharge card business, nobody they come by. Waiting they solve, Mama. Mama, anything what you want to do for us, Mama. Streets done rough, streets done off, Mama. Pressure no day again. We no fit on no taker now. You get a CB, Mama, help us, I beg.
Say no more.
Say no
You're
more.
in the right place. That door has been closed. For you to reopen the destiny door, you have to sacrifice one of your boys.
Mama, is it pressure now? One of my boys, who I won't use now. Now, Ndubaby, we don't know for 7 years now. Now, we even start the street business together, they pursue work now. No, now. You get a CB now. Now, Tommy, he and that brother DJ because of me now. 30 years now, they serve on my behalf. The only thing why I owe him, now make I make this guy person, so that I ain't go rise in family. Which way? Mama, anything apart from this, my men, them I go do. Cow, goat, lizard, I go use.
Sacrifice yes, sir, in my shrine.
My pikin, I beg, help me type this account number to this number. He won't send me money, 500,000. But I don't know whether na 3, I been na 8, they write for there.
You run the woman straight. You go hear him here, no worry.
Mama, I don't run am.
You don't do am?
Yeah.
Otuba. Hell, this children, I don't write for.
Mama, listen to me, oh. Banana where I for up, na bed get down. I fly away.
No, baby, no, I don't feel use you now. Stand up, I don't feel use you, no.
I better say use me than I die mumu there too.
You know.
If you dey fear, yes, I dey fear. I be weak man, yes. I not get mind, yes, agree. Not me you want put for problem. I be coward, yes, I be coward.
Yes, I be coward, no wala. PS5.
Now wait on. I have one series PS5. Now 1M.
Now 50K I'll pay you.
For PS5.
You don't play many times now.
Pluto, why you want to say your PS5?
You might be on the wrong way.
For PS5?
I know how you still collect this TV.
You say Mbappe no the wrong way.
Pluto, you want to say your TV? What happened to this TV?
Al Jazeera no dey show news.
Al Jazeera no dey show news. For your own TV, Pluto, see, if you don't broke, just talk. Let people know how to help you. If you don't broke, you just talk. I be get gift card, I for say me I help you, but I don't know where to sell them.
Set to top gift card. They have their highest price in Nigerian market. They are fast, reliable, and safe to deal with. The good thing is they don't even get app. If you download them with your Android or your iPhone, may use them. Very easy to use.
You see, you get connection, but you not get gift card. Broke boy.
Still low key, street not get memory, Still low key, Still low key.
I'll leave take. Transfer the 50K.
Ha!
Which bank did they use, bros?
I'm going through a lot this period.
I'm going through a lot, man. Even me, I don't get.
You're very stupid. After everything I've done, me, I should get out.
What do you mean?
I want to even go. You know that I want to go.
Ever since you came into my life has been tumbling and tumbling and tumbling.
Holy Center, since you came in, nothing has happened in my life.
Are you serious?
My life has been spoiling.
Your life does spoil, see so. Your life does spoil, it's no. Come on. Even you cannot buy anything. Guy, you will not buy. Baby, you cannot do your mates. I didn't prepare for my mates.
Am I your father?
I still be my father, but you will say daddy. You want me to call you daddy every time. Knock, you cannot even knock well.
You know Sabinus well.
Leave my house. Leave my house.
I believe. If not that, they said any other person or any other man that I sleep with will die. You think I will be here?
Am I not already dead?
Run, no.
Look, I need this girl. What happened?
So now because of knack.
My brother.
So now because of knack, you won't go help him.
I will leave it.
Nonsense.
So now because of knack.
Go die today.
Wait, do you say I have smoking it?
That's not your prick be this.
Are you recording?
I'm recording.
So my people, take. I know there's hunger in the land, so I've decided to empower our people. You know, while we are working on the economy, we are trying to make sure that everybody eats. Our people are not going to suffer in hunger. Okay? So this is courtesy of your governor. You know, I decided to share Jazzy Burger. This is one of the best burgers in Africa. I said my people go
Jazzy Burger.
Yeah? Our people will eat the burger. You know,
Are you
they will eat what they are supposed to eat. You know, it's not only for the rich. As a governor of the state, my people, you know, will enjoy what I enjoy. You know, thank God for Don Jazzy who is collaborating with me.
Oh, this one
Tobo. Mark in face. Mark in face. Get me another burger. But be careful this time. If you lose this burger, you lose your position. Are you stupid?
Sorry, Your Excellency.
Be careful with me. That's why we chose children so that we can catch them when they want to run with it.
Sorry, Your Excellency.
Yeah? Try it again, you lose your job. So I'm sorry. They talk, they come on, go, make sure this person, next person not escape.
You can still escape, no worry.
Are you recording now?
Yes, sir.
So my people, will continue with the donation.
Come on, they stop now. For give me baller. Never say go a video they do campaign. Content creator. Everybody they go out. Everybody they collect the gas.
What? Now you self-call.
Hey, let's go. Let's see the edit.
Why you still recording? I'm on this Jazzy Burger, the people. Let's see the edit.
Governor Amuneke has embarked on another journey. Operation Quench the Hunger in communities within Olaini State. Action, they say, speaks louder than voice. The governor himself took to the street where he was seen distributing Jazzy Burger to the hungry citizens. He made it known that everyone who is within the age of 18 is entitled to Jazzy Burger every day to the rest of his tenure. Yes, you heard him right. This was made possible by partnering with Don Jazzy to provide Jazzy Burger to his entire state. What a man with purpose. The governor couldn't even take a bite as there were still more kids in the streets to serve. One of the beneficiaries thanked the governor for his kindness and asked other kids who had eaten 6 times to go home.
Blood of God. Hey, who have eaten 6 times? Go.
Help a baller.
If everybody was rich.
Help a baller. Rich bitch in the house, baby. Rich bitch. Help a baller.
You get money, you still beg for money.
Now wow. If you don't tell when I see people they beg like this, everybody do alright, everybody rich. Bro, why you can't they beg now? Na bad habits, na addiction. Don't be say money no free, money dey. No na for the see all those na yeye addiction from. Well, anyway, everywhere good, skin full. I go show some love. Alpha, why you dey berate me now? You dey belittle my stance. Wetin I wan use naira do now? Small naira wey you just carry come. Wetin I wan use am do now? If no be USD, BTC, Alpha now. Na my funds dey here, so no go dey look me less. Na rich bitch dey here, so you dey overlive now. Which kind alignment be this now, bro? Rich bitch.
You never did it.
In the house,
you never did it.
Good afternoon.
Iceboy.
Good afternoon. Farmer. You get gonorrhea medicine?
Gonorrhea medicine?
Yeah, gonorrhea medicine.
Anyway, I get. So it depends on who they.
You know, cause how you want to take out. And my friend, I send me come.
Oh, your friend.
Baba, now you.
If they're your friend, your money na 150,000. But if na you, I can say it be my person.
Jesus.
So I tell I say that you.
Okay, make I don't like give you. The me won't take out.
Can you get gonorrhea? I don't see am. Who give you gonorrhea?
I'm a very picky, no. That one when they sack her for junction.
If you want me to close your mouth,
yes.
Your money 100,000 naira.
100,000.
Okay, you know.
I'm quiet.
Make a call police. You go pay, me no go pay.
Let me cash.
You don't get sense. Master.
Papa, what happened? Is Mama okay in the village?
My daughter, I came all the way from the village with Mazo Keke and Chief Kelly just to come and see you.
Let's collect them. Let's collect them like that.
So, what's happening?
Because you have never disgraced us before on social media. We never see you one day where you set ring light. They dance, what is it called? What the body can do. What the body can do. Or this one, the other one, what is it called? Your water nyash. Your water nyash. We have not seen you one day insulting boys online. Because they cannot afford to do for you what we, your family, cannot do for you. Adam, as you never disgrace us, God will never disgrace you.
Thank you very much. Please, you can come inside.
All right.
The biggest fish you don't show.
Biggest fish don't show.
Everywhere you don't show.
Now, you didn't tell me that your daughter is this rich. What is it you say she does for a living again? Because what I'm seeing here is like all these houses I see in the movies. Mas, what did you say your daughter is doing?
What are you two trying to insinuate? Okay. Well, my daughter is a banker. As I know, she's a banker, a certified banker. But well, when she come, I will ask her. I will ask her. Adama.
I'm coming, let me get ambulance call.
Come. Ada, let me ask you. I know that you are a banker. Is it banking that you are doing to acquire all these things?
Yes, Papa. I still do my job. But there's this betting platform called 1xBet, where you can bet on any football games and win. And right now, there's 1xBet golden opportunity. All you have to do is download the application, complete the full registration using promo code ONENOTCH. And you top up your account to activate 300% bonus on your first deposit.
I'm going to update.
Papa, please, I want to check what I'm preparing.
Gawa. Thank God she clarified herself. I was thinking she's all those girls that will be using OnlyFans.
Which one is OnlyFans?
You don't know OnlyFans? The app, those girls, they use it to shape their yash to attract men, to give them more money.
Yeah?
And I could do that.
Check it out. Let me check it out.
Okay.
And they're on promo. Okeke. Maybe your daughter Chamaka be this.
So I'm so sorry, you can't sell your manhood. You know you just sold your kidney not quite long. You need some time to heal from the last surgery we just did. Sir, anything that makes you sell your manhood now, the chances of you surviving is 80-20. As you have only 20% to survive, you might lose your life along the line. So I will advise you just go home and maybe take some time off to heal. Then you come back. We'll look for somebody else to donate the manhood. Please.
How much did you say is the manhood again?
That's 50 million naira, sir.
50 million?
Yes, sir.
How much should I buy my kidney?
10 million naira, sir.
10 million. So why did you tell me that manhood is more expensive than kidney?
No, sir, they were not asking for manhood that time. They are just asking for manhood today, and you already did the surgery. So you just go and come back. Whenever they need manhood again, I'll let you know, sir.
So why didn't you tell me that I can sell my manhood?
I just said that they weren't asking for manhood that time.
I won't continue.
So now I won't say
Jesus.
You can't. You just had a surgery. You need to heal from the last surgery.
The chance is 80-20.
80-20, yes, sir.
No worry, that 20%, so I will survive it.
You might lose your life, sir.
If I lose my life, I will lose money. If I don't lose my life, I will lose money. I beg.
That's all.
Okay.
Don't spend 10 million where you collect first now.
I need to ready my body now for first.
At least you collect 10 million. You never even spend that.
Kasongo, yeah. Mumbali nanga. Kasongo, mbona we. Songa libala. Oh, yeah.
God have mercy upon us. What's the noise for? Why are you making noise?
What's up? Laji, have fun. I did. Oh my Laji, if you see the girl I won't give you, go love me that.
Clap up for Jesus. Clap up for Jesus.
Oh my ready. Ah, nah, no sir. See I'm there.
Yeah.
Why they do like this? Now see the girl boy again. Everywhere front and back. What if this one go take my destiny? Ah, beg, don't watch.
Don't run.
Now you run. Now you see woman.
Don't run.
What if my destiny? Now for me to give her my destiny. That's not a bad destiny. Oh, quit me! I like me! Oh, quit me!
You don't finish, so you're not complete. But my question is, where these guys then from? They see all these girls where they carry big breast, they carry big nyash. Where they from? They see them like, and if they see them, how they think they convince these girls to come and be, acting stuff like this? I really want to know, because like how much they gonna pay these girls now? It's not like this is a movie. This is just a skit. Where they from? They see all those girls, big nyash, big. At least they walk out for my street. I know they see girls where they carry all these big this time. I mean, I've only Lagos and them day. I've only Lagos. Mona tell me, I don't know. You understand? But apart from that, guys, thanks for watching to this very particular place. In as much as I said the video no finish, I'm really sorry for that. I thought I be think say the video finish. I didn't know, because I'm actually watching for the first time, just like you guys. You understand? So thanks for sticking to the very end, and please check out my other videos. Trust me, you will love them. Check them out, and subscribe if you're here to do that. It's very important. You get. So see you in the next one, guys. Peace and love.